Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to charge your iPad mini using a quick charge power bank. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to an iPad mini itself. Can be iPad mini 1, 2, 3, 4. The quick charge power bank itself. As you can see, we have auto and quick charge on top, on the right hand side, and also a lightning cable itself, so we can turn on the power bank with a click of this button. We have two lights available, 50%. The lightning cable, USB goes into the USB port, and then the lightning cable itself into the port of the iPad mini. And now we can see we are charging. We are on 68%. It will take about 30 minutes, 1 hour for a full 100% charge. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.